Good guys, like Tech Tip here. Wait, Lex Tech Tips here. We're gonna be blowing up some.
Lex Big Tip here.
Lex Massive Tip here. We're gonna be blowing up some speakers, high-end speakers.
3,000 watts.
This is a 3,000 watt speaker. It's a whatever. I don't know. Videographer. Get to it. Oh, I feel it moving a little bit.
It's very high power. I don't want to blow it. I would give it to make it too loud.
It's ported. Right.
The cardboard in there for sound reverberation.
Yep. When's it gonna start?
5 seconds.
That's nice. Oh, it's going. It's hooked up to the power still. Yeah. Yeah. Turn that, blow that shit up. Did it go into prot? Oh. It blew up.
Next one.
Well.
Hey! Dude, I was using that! Okay, let's check if the amp killed the amp.
It didn't, bro. See, just fine. I turned it all the way down so I can. Okay. One speaker. Speaker number 2. Alright, guys. Speaker number 2. It's hooked up and ready to go.
Just take the outside off.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. No, we want it to be little so a bunch of smoke. Oh my god, the fucking voice coil is so tiny. This is a really high-end Sony. Okay.
Then a box is louder than the other one.
Oh my god, it's already bottoming out.
Really? I don't know when to crank it.
Crank it now. Oh yeah, man. Fucking killer cloud, man. Holy shit.
Oh, something's wrong with the coil. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see what's wrong.
Oh, it fucking stinks. There's like cloths around that, so you know it's high end.
Yeah. Only the high-end speakers have cloths around.
It's like a ZV6. It's got the tan spider pack.
That's crazy, man. Triple spiders, bro. Oh, dude, look at that fine
Black coil.
black CCA coil. Alright, let's get another one.
Dude, you might hit the speaker.
I didn't, bro.
Make the back.
I'm trying to. Oh my god, this speaker's fucking tiny! Should we just blow it up?
It's a piece of wood!
There's a piece of wood? What the fuck? Why is there a piece of wood in
This
here?
is support for the box.
Do you think we should just plug it up in there, right?
It's a Samco.
It's a Samco speaker. Oh my god. Okay, let's just plug it up in the box.
Don't worry.
No, dude, come on.
Okay.
Alright, we got this red high-end speaker. Red means fire, you know, man? Fire high-end. Wait, you know, we need to give the voice coil some
Not yet.
cooling.
Not yet.
I can't even cut through it, really.
I'll do it. Okay.
Oh, we have 2 knives. I forgot we got 2 knives. Look at the fire phone we're using for this.
It smells like fucking ass
Samsung
in
Galaxy S4. Oh, nice. Oh my god, this looks so legit.
What was that noise?
I think it was a screw. I'm at 5% battery.
Hold it now.
Crank that shit.
Not yet.
Doesn't matter. Alright. New dust capless design.
I'm grabbing this one. Ready?
Yep.
Hold the camera back a little bit.
Did it die? Oh,
Yeah.
no, it didn't. No, it didn't. The thing came disconnected.
I saw some smoke come out of it, but it's not dead. Wow.
Okay, we're back. The lead came disconnected, so I'm gonna hold it under it this time. This thing's really scary. Shit! What the fuck? Oh! Yo! The voice coil! It came out! It came out. This voice coil over the pool vent!
God damn.
I'm sorry that you guys can't smell this, but it smells like cat piss and like rotting shit. Like, it smells like a sewer in here, infested by feral cats that have been eating asparagus for months. Like, it smells so bad, man. Nice poly paper cone.
Composite, carbon fiber, aluminum, copper.
Did you just rip the tinsel leads off?
Oh, the coil must have came out of the cap. Dude, that's a shame. This is a really nice speaker, man.
Yeah, man.
It took a ton of fucking power.
Yeah. I'm at 3% battery. We can do one more, I think.
Oh my god. It's black aluminum.
Holy shit, it was hitting the back so hard that the former bent.
This stuff is... What is this stuff? It's fucking... A bunch of wires in there.
Why are there so many wires?
Maybe that's why it broke. I think it was built wrong. There's a bunch of weird wires in there.
Yeah.
Silly string cheese.
Yeah, look at that. That former is completely chewed.
Let me try it. Let me try it. Oh, dude, we were gonna recon it, dude. You messed up the pole vent.
Oh my god, it just shot a chunk of ferrite out of
yeah,
it.
there we go.
Oh my god, it just shook a huge thing of ferrite.
Oh, look at all that.
Holy shit. Oh my god, you knocked the pole vent out.
Dude, look at that.
Holy shit. Okay, we got this speaker. We're gonna blow it up. Oh shit, I'm at 1%. Quickly, just like blast it. Loud as it'll go.
Turning it on. It already blew up. Did it already actually blow up?
Yeah.